Here we go, we're doing the fucking DVMS eco bullshit. Here's the coder. I have typed in my malarkey from reverse lookup. There we go. 0.5 static pressure, there's your option code. And that is exactly how you enter it in to SNET Pro. You type it in. I've got two units, unit 00 and 01. They both need to be changed their static pressure from stock. We're going to click right option. This is going to download that first one. Download success. Download. Perfect. So in real time, it's going to write to those two things. Shut down the units. And then reboot them. Close that. We're going to go back to home. We're going to look at the controller. Those two have reset. Okay. Cool. Let's see, these haven't changed yet. Okay, that's fine. Go back. We're gonna type the next option code in. 010054 dash 1E5061 2C2C. Okay, so that's 201C1C 0100. So that would be the duct S9000 BTU. I'm gonna go here to the bottom of the 9000 BTU. It says static pressure is 0.04 right now. We're gonna change it to 0.5. Going back to add-on, indoor option rater. Number 2. So then you're on the SNAT. Here's where you type it in. So the 1 is implied that it's already typed. 0054. Tab over E597D 01C1C hash 310311100. Okay, verify that's the right one going in to the 1C1Cs and the. Okay, so we're gonna write that option as well. And you hear the whole system has shut down and restarted now. So, close this. I'm gonna cycle everything to off. I'm gonna shut down the SNH program.